Howdy, folks. We're out here at the Nimrod Lake Spillway, and dang, it looks lovely. Comes down, goes down to the main river, nice pool here. We got a lot of shore to walk that way. It's a really great spot. Unfortunately, it's also really raining. But we drove an hour and a half to get here, at least I did. Jacob drove an hour, he was a little closer. And we're gonna fish through it. Jacob, being a smart man, has brought a raincoat. I am not a smart man and could not find a raincoat, so I'm just gonna suffer and get wet and be miserable. Jacob's already gotten one bite, but we didn't manage to get a hook on it. I've got 2 rods out right here and here. Got shrimp out there. He's got shrimp out on this line. He's got one back there with, what do you got on there, a worm? Yeah. All right, he's got a worm going that way. So we're pretty hopeful. There's a lot of dead gar and carp we've seen laying around, so at the very least, there's those to catch, I guess. With that, I'm gonna stand here, get soaking wet, and hope that a fish bites to make this worth my time. While I'm waiting for some catfish bites over there, got my light action here with the little 6-ounce rooster tail. Absolutely not the lure to be using on a dark, cloudy day covered in rain, but it's already tied on, so it's what I'm going to use. We'll just keep myself a little busy so I don't think about how wet and miserable I am. Luckily, it's not cold. It's probably about 75-ish right now. This rain's an okay temperature. Oh, there's a fish. First fish of the day. What we got? Got us a smallmouth. Not a very big one, but it is a smallmouth bass, which I will happily take. I don't get to catch a lot of these up where we're usually at. I don't have my pliers on me. I'm gonna walk over and get them. Ugh. Yeah, the stupid slippery wet rocks. Oh man. Huh. Pliers tangled up on my little rod's lure. All right, let's get in the backpack here. I got another set I can grab. These ones will work.
Oh, you got a fish.
Smallmouth.
Oh, smallie. On the rooster tail, classic.
Yeah.
It's right off the point here.
Yeah, he was just out there a little ways. It's a little bit deeper over there.
My reel being so stupid, I can't cast very far. I'm gonna go grab my chair though.
All right.
See over here, a circle hook. The one on the far end with the different type of bell is an octopus.
All right.
None of them have drag.
There we go, little guy. I know it's not where you came from, but I don't want to have to walk you all the way back over there. There he goes. Now I'm going to walk all the way back over there anyway. I just, you know, wanted him back in the water quickly. I think something hit that the second it hit the water. Or I'm just hitting rocks. One of the two.
I had a phantom bell.
Nope, there's a fish again. Nope, there's a fish off again. Nope, there's another fish. Ah, cut bait.
There you go.
Green sunfish. Well, Greenie, you're going out on the rod. Sorry, bud. That's what you get for wanting to eat this. Get him off the hook here. I assume you're gonna want a piece?
Yeah.
All right, I'll take his head. All right, got our guy dead. Got him hooked on right through the eyes. A great place to put a good hook. Hard to get it off of there. Strip it out. Hook's a little bit small for the bait, but it's what I had tied on. So it's what I'm working with. Now let's whip it as far as we can and see what we can catch. There's another one. You know, me assuming that the rooster tail wasn't going to be very good. It's doing some good oh, we popped off. No, there's a snake in the water right here at my feet. Little bitty copperhead, but he's hanging out under a rock, so he shouldn't leave me be. There's a little snake under this rock.
Really?
Yeah.
What kind?
Probably a copperhead.
Well, as long as you leave this alone.
He was pretty small, although I just got a little glimpse of him.
Switch to the scoop.
Ah, that may have been a gar. That was a hard bite. It popped out real quick. Oh, no way. I thought that was a bad cast, but this is going to be the best fish so far. Come on, keep him on. Get somewhere a little better to land him. Yep. Oh no, right there, he came off. It was a largemouth. I saw his stripe. There's another fish. Going right out of those other rocks with a little fast moving water there. Not nearly as big as that last one though. There you go. Not nearly as good as that last one. Yeah, brown trout. 1/6 ounce. Hold still. Go. Oh, nope. Damn it. Well, I'm gonna call him a largemouth for now. I couldn't confirm if he's a spot or not. Guess these fish are all nice and tucked up inside all this moving water in these rocks. There's another one. I got the juice today. Yep. Smallmouth. Well, he's got a stripe on him. Yeah. Are you snagged? That makes sense. Oh, he spit out a little shad. This is a spotted bass. I don't know if you can see down in his mouth, but in there next to my thumb, there's that little dark patch. There's a little sandpaper patch. That's how you know it's a spot. Now, I think we may have finally lost the rooster tail. Nope, got it out. Hot damn. All right, back on, back out. Rain certainly is picking up.
Any second now, man.
Jacob finally got a fish. He just lost a nice bass, but now look what he's caught. He snagged the dorsal
Look at it.
of a big bluegill. He's kind of beat up too.
By the way, that bass, I got him on the rock. That counts as a catch. I just didn't get a picture. Okay, no, that's cool. Well, do you want to keep him for bait or just?
Nah, he's a nice one.
He's had a rough day, it looks like. So.
Yeah, we'll let him do his thing. I don't like keeping ones that are that big. Oh, there's a snake. He's got his head poked up. Checking us out. Hey, what'd you throw that fish back for?
I think since I switched to your rod, I've cast, this is my third cast, I've caught 2 fish.
It's a good lure. Definitely getting knocked. Here, I'll take that.
Take this.
You go monitor your rod. Let's see if you lost my lure. That's pretty stuck. No. I think I got it. Well, I got it for a second. It got restuck. Maybe.
Whatever happened here, to stop. Nope.
No, he's still going a little.
Have something little on there.
You might have a turtle. Alright, I think we're gonna have to give up on this. Yeah. Well, like you said, you got more of them.
No, whatever's on, it's probably a turtle biting at it.
You're gonna have to tie a new leader onto this if you want to use it.
I think I'm gonna switch to my light edge. Oh yeah.
Oh, I got one. What you got for me here, Bitsy? Got us? Little tiny smallmouth. Little bitty guy. Oh no, maybe not a smallmouth. He's got the stripe on him. There's probably a spot. Yep. What you got in your mouth there, buddy? He's got a little minnow in his mouth. You keep that down. You need it. He had like a half digested minnow in his mouth already. Greedy little thing. Leader. Ow. That goddamn thing cut me. That's the hazards. Got this stretchy line. Oh, come on. Dip down here in the rock somewhere. There it is. Ah, caught on some other one. That's the problem. Strong. There's a fish. Whoop. Another little spot. Ooh. Ooh. That's not where you want hooks. Sorry about that, bud. Whoop. Oh, there's a fish. Well, maybe a legit largemouth. Stop it. His mouth goes back behind his eye, which is one of the ways to tell a largemouth apart from other bass. Oh, I've got him on a hook. No tongue spot. Yep, this is a legit largemouth. Oh, there he goes. What? I don't know. We'll have to review the footage. But that one was a legit largemouth.
I've got you.
I haven't bothered to count. But I mean, I gotta be getting close to 10, right? Whoa. Let's go see what Jacob caught over here. It's been a hot minute since we've seen a fish.
Got it.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Kind of fat.
Ooh, I thought I was snagged.
Just like I just
He
had.
jumped out of the water. I haven't caught a smallmouth in, God, 2 or 3 years.
Yeah, mine, I set the hook because it felt like a thump, but like it just sat, like no movement at all. I'm like, oh, it must be a rock. So, you know, I let it up and then it went zzz and popped out. All right, I think that's gonna do it for here. We've been here probably, what, 4 hours now?
Probably. Yeah.
Yeah, about 4 hours. And our tight lines, they got a couple bites, but we couldn't really get any fish on them. But we did catch plenty of stuff on lures. A lot of fish that we don't get to see too often. So we're gonna call that a win, and we're gonna go find somewhere else to fish. So, see y'all there.